Hello students, my name is Ayush Gupta and I am your computer teacher. This is the lecture series for class 2nd. Okay, so here today I will discuss about the class 2nd's computer. This lecture will be in English only. If you guys are not comfortable in English, you are not unable to understand English properly, then I can make it in Hindi also. So if you are not able to understand this lecture, so please let me know and I definitely give you this lecture in Hindi also. Okay, so today is our first class. So today we will start our first class. Okay. First of all, as we know what we are using, we have IT Planet for class 2nd. That is computer series class 2nd we are using. Okay. Let's see. Here we have chapter number 1, computer and its types. If you talk about that, if the syllabus is curtailed, so no, all syllabus is covered. Okay. All syllabus to be covered. Okay, आपका you have to cover all the syllabus. So as you can see, we have total 9 chapters. Okay, so we have 9 chapters in which today we are going to start our first chapter, which is computer and its types. Means that today we will read about computer and types of computer. In this lecture we will know about what is computer, types of computer, that is supercomputer, desktop computers, laptop computers, tablet, PC, and smartphones. What are difference between these terms? How you can differentiate a device is smart or not? How you can differentiate that? Okay, how can you can differentiate that if a system is a supercomputer or a desktop computer? Okay, let's start. Yeah. So here is our chapter number 1, computer and its types. So here is your first point. Hi friends, welcome back again. Now you are new class. Let us study more about the computers. But before it, let us understand what this computer is. So here you have new class like class 2. You are come in the class 2 from class first. Okay. In class first you know about the basic of computer. Now we will study more about it. Okay. So first of all, before we start anything, we should know what is a computer. Okay. So what a computer is. Let us discuss what a computer is. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Okay. For me, it is clear that a computer is an electronic machine, means that it runs with electric power. Electric power. Which type of power? DC current. Okay, means continuous current. So a computer is an electronic machine which works with electric power. It means that electricity, it runs with electricity. It works very fast without making any mistake, and it can do many things. So if we say that without making any mistakes, but sometimes you see this uncertain output according to us, but it may be occur only for input. Input is not good, means that if we provide a bad input to a computer, then we will get a bad response. I will show it to you, like calculator. Here I am opening my calculator. Yeah. Okay, I think you guys are able to see my calculator. Now what I am doing, I am writing here 8 divided by 0. So as you can see, cannot divide by 0 is the output. So it means that computer is not wrong. Why? Because we can't divide any number by 0. So this is a wrong input, a bad input. So when we provide a wrong and bad input, then there is some kind of problem. But computer doesn't make any kind of mistake in any case. System never lies, computer never lies. Human can lie, but system can't. System just can't lie. It helps us play games, watch movie, listen to songs, and carry out other tasks. So it helps us play games. Means that you can play games. If you have played any game, then comment it. If you played any game, then just comment. Listen to the songs and carry out many tasks. So in general, we have two types of computer. First is laptop and second is desktop. The difference is that laptop is movable and desktop is fixed. That is, we can't move a desktop. Now, we will talk about types of computer. Means that how many types of computer is here. Nowadays, different type of computers are used by people. Some computers are big and some are small in size. So there are different type of computer that some are in big in size and some are small in size. So the biggest computer that is very big is called supercomputer. Means that supercomputer are very big, the huge. A company is Cray, Sunsoft, and all other companies are working with a supercomputer. Like you can see, the Cray XK6 are there. So as you can see, these are the tiles are there, so many tiles, and in these tiles this system is placed. So you can see this system is about a room long, like a room in your home. If a room is there, then this system size is about a room. Okay, they works very fast and they can store huge amount of data and information. So supercomputer used in the large companies and research center in weather forecasting. That is what is the weather is. We use supercomputer. For rocket launching, what we use? We use supercomputer. Okay. Next. Next is desktop computer. I know you guys are familiar with this. You have seen this before in your lab also, in your home, in your everywhere. We can see simply this type of computer. So these are household system, home office, schools, and shops. They can be seen in the your computer lab or desktop computer. Now laptop. Laptop is a small lightweight computer that can easily carry it from one place to another. That is, it is movable. Okay. Design is in such a way that fits conveniently in your lab. In your lab you can place it, and it works with the batteries as well as the main power supply. Now the tablet PC. The tablet PC or tablet computer is a specific type of computer which is very small in size. Tablet is equipped with a digital camera, microphone, and touch screen. You can work on a tablet by touching the screen with your finger. Means that the smartphone like you use, like a smartphone it is. Okay. The difference is size. The smartphone that provides computer functionality addition to the basic phone is smartphone. Built-in digital camera that can click image and also has a touchscreen panel. You are using right now a smartphone. You are using a smartphone. So that's all for today, guys. See you in next class. Bye, everyone.